In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a Koji widget and add it to your refined portal. In Koji settings, scroll down to the Deploying on a Refined Portal section. Start by adding the URL of your refined portal by clicking the Edit button. Enter the URL of the refined site where you want to add the widget, then click on Save. You can click Refresh at the top of the page to display the updated settings. If you return to the Deploying on a Refined Portal section, you will see the updated URL. Next, go to Configuration. Widgets to create the widget. You can create a new widget by clicking Add. Enter a name for your widget and a description. Next, select Chat as the widget type and Refined Portal as the application type. Now, you can define the appearance of the widget. For example, you can customize the button tooltip. Once your widget is configured, click Save. Now that the widget is ready, we can deploy it. To do so, go to Configuration Tenants. Then, go to Deploy a Refined Portal widget. Select the widget you want to deploy. Then click on Refresh. You will get the code of the widget to add to your refined portal. Copy the block of code and go to the configuration panel of your refined site. Scroll down until you find the Injected at End of Body setting. Paste the widget code in the input field and click Save. Now, let's check the widget on the refined portal. Click on the button to open Koji. Customers can now discuss with Koji on the refined portal.